everyone, my name is Qothrun. I'm from class 11 Science 4. Here I will give a little information on how to operate a washing machine. The tools and material needed are 1. Washing machine, 2. Clothes, 3. Laundry soap. To split clothes into 3 categories, namely white, black, and second color. 2. Put your clothes in the washing machine. 3. Make sure you close the washing machine tightly. 4. Pour the soap according to the amount. 5. Press the timer button to set the time for 30 minutes, then press the time button. 6. Press the start button. 7. The washing machine will run automatically until your clothes are ready. 8. After all your clothes are clean and ready to dry in the sun.